Hello and welcome to another video. Let's jump right into number 3. For these, I like to use boxes and squiggles because it really helps me look at all the x's and then all the ones that don't have x. So first, that negative 18 and that positive 12 both have an x variable attached to it. When I do negative 18 plus 12, I'm going to get a negative 6 and that x is still going to be attached. When I do negative 9 plus 17, I'm going to get a positive 8. Now, it looks kind of funny when I rewrite it as a positive, but when I rewrite them putting them together, I'm going to write negative 6x plus 8. And then we can just go on down to the bottom of the paper. And as you can see, our answer is right there, letter J, negative 6x plus 8. All right, let's jump on to the next one. Let's look at number 11. This one looks a little tricky. So I'm going to have that negative 7x and that positive 5x boxed in. And then we're going to have the squiggles under 19 and then the negative 21. Now, when I do negative 7 plus 5, I'm going to get a negative 2, and that x is paired with that, so it's negative 2x. Then I'm going to do the only two numbers remaining, which is the 19 minus 21. And that is going to be a negative 2. I rewrite those two together, and it's going to be negative 2x minus 2 as my final answer. I go down, and I can see right there, letter C is my final answer, negative 2x minus 2. All right, let's look at number 14. Whenever we have just a variable, it's just like a little hidden 1 right in front of it, okay? So I'm going to box in that negative 1x and that negative 3x. I'm going to put squiggles under the positive 14 and the negative 15. When I do negative 1 minus 3, which is that first one that I'm doing, I'm getting negative 4x because that's the variable associated with it. Next, I'm doing 14 minus 15, which is going to give us a negative 1. And I'm going to pair those two together. So negative 4x minus 1. And then as we see, we look down, and I is our answer, negative 4x minus 1.